Yo guys, you used to ask me like, yo, how do you make a deep profit? So this is how I make a deep profit, right? So guys, you can see already we already hit TP1. You know what I'm saying? Guys, we took this trade yesterday, you know what I'm saying? But yesterday couldn't move that much. You know, the market we don't force, you know what I'm saying? So today it did move, guys. You can see, as I said guys yesterday in the previous video, remember I showed you guys how I took this entry, the reason why I took this entry. And guys, today is the result for the for the trade that we took yesterday. This is the result. We already hit the TP1, and I'm saying everyone in the team now is like, it's like yo, this was so perfect, you know what I'm saying? So listen, now what I'm going to do, you know what I'm saying, what I'm going to do right now, you know what I'm saying, you know how I do guys. Sometimes I don't take the profit until the market took me out itself, guys. As you can see guys here, let me show you guys. You guys, you know, you're my cousins, so everything, no secrets. As you can see guys here, this is what happened yesterday. And you can see after the market hit the the trend line right here. This is the reason why I took the trade. And then I took the trade because the market was on uptrend, and also the strategy right here, the mobile strategy was also saying like, yo, this is a beautiful time to enter the market, you know what I'm saying? So you know, I'm using 21. I'm using a mobile strategy, you know what I'm saying, just to give me to show me the currency that is ready to be taken. And I use the plus action to get the confirmations of entering the market. So as you can see guys here, this is why I entered yesterday, you know what I'm saying. I entered with my team right here. So after the market yesterday, the market did move at this point. And after the market reached at this point, broke out, you know what I'm saying, did give some little bit pullback right here. And after the market broke out the pullback, I shifted my stop loss right here at this point here, because you know guys, you don't need to rate your profit to become a loss. Never ever do that. Don't rate your profit to become a loss. Whatever you feel like, I want to lock my profit, lock your profit. Or you can just wait for the market to move like a 20 pips, and then you can shift your stop loss, you know what I'm saying, at break even. You know what I'm saying? When I say break even, many of you guys don't understand. Break even is the way you take the entry. Like, this is why I take the opportunity right here. This is why I opened my trades right here. This one we call it break even. You know what I'm saying? You can wait for the market to move from the break even, from where you took the opportunity, inside to the profit, like a 20 pips, and then you take your stop loss. Let's say your stop loss was maybe somewhere down here, and you can shift your stop loss to the break even, straight to the break even here. So you're not gonna lose, you're not gonna win. Let's say in case the market took you out, you're just gonna get out with your capital as was, you know what I'm saying. Or you can just put in a profit a little bit so that you won't lose anything. So whatever the market keep moving, keep give you more money. So this is what I do. As you can see, I was already rock my profit here. So now I'm going to shift my stop loss right here to here. This is how I'm going to make more money from this market. But I'm not gonna lie, at the moment my team, they're out, because what I'm about to do, this is my own risk, you know what I'm saying. This is my own risk, but this is the skills that always make me money. As I'm showing you guys, if you in the team and you want to keep holding the market, it's up to you. But I always make sure my team, I give them the light stop loss and the light take a profit. And they take profit, they get out of the market. And what I'm doing right now, this is my own risk, because even though like I shift the stop loss at this point right here, and the market come back and hit me out, I don't mind, because Many times I make money with this strategy of shifting the stop loss. So if the market didn't make me money at once, I don't mind, because it's just how the market is. You know what I'm saying? So it's just like that, guys. It's like that. So let me shift the stop loss right now. I'm gonna shift the stop loss to this point right here. So let me do that. So watch how I do, and you can also do the same thing and make money by my skills that I'm giving to you. So yeah, you can see, guys, we're bouncing in the profit. For real, we're bouncing to the profit. You know what I'm saying? It's crazy, guys, crazy. This is how we do, and this is how we do in the building, man. You know, it's your boy, man, Sniper, right here, man, in the building. So straight up, guys, let's shift the stop loss. My stop loss, I'm going to shift it at this point right here. At this point right here, because you can see what happened was we had you can see that we had a pullback right here. The pullback, which was this one. Let me show you the pullback that we had. We had this pullback here. Doesn't want to show. It doesn't want to show anyways. But I hope you can see here. We had this pullback right here, from here to here. Okay, this was the pullback. So after the pullback, you can see that we got also continuation. You can see that we got also continuation right here. So what I'm gonna do now, since the market already give us the continuation, I'm going to put my stop loss at this point here. This is where I'm going to put my stop loss, right here. You know what I'm saying? So that the market might be able to keep printing more money for me. So let's do that. I'm gonna take these numbers right here. You can see the red zone that I put here. I'm gonna take these numbers right here. It's 44188. 1.44188. So I can just use 44188. 44188. 44188. Modify. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna put the whole numbers. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna put the whole numbers to the to all my positions. 44188. Boom. 44188. If you don't know how you do it, this is how you do it. Click right here. You can see here stop loss. Click right here and then change these numbers right here. 44188, and then click modify right here. Boom. Yes, sir. So now you can see, guys, we already shift our stop loss. You can see the stop loss is right here. Here you can see. Let me delete this one first so that you can be able to see proper. You can see here, this is my stop loss. Has already shifted. So right now, guys, I'm in the market. I don't have a loss, nothing. All I'm expecting is the market to keep printing more money for me. You know what I'm saying? This is how I do it, guys. This is how I do it. Now I'll be waiting for the market to keep printing more cash for me, as we do. As you can see, guys, we keep printing more cash. So it's easy as that, guys. Everything that I'm showing you on this channel, guys, it's gonna change your life. If you can really follow what I'm showing you, you're going to change your life, and you're going to learn a lot. This is how the trend line strategy looks like. You know what I'm saying? This is how it looks like, guys. You only need to pull up the trend line after you see the first touch and the second touch. Pull up the trend line, and then once the third touch comes, the market comes to the trend line for the 30 touch. Wait for the market to move. You know what I'm saying? To move from the zone, I mean from the trend line a little bit, and give you some rejections candlesticks, as you can see, like this one was a beautiful candlesticks, like confirmations candlesticks that says like, yo, this is the rejection from sellers, it's time for buyers. And then you enter the market and then you make money like that. Easy, guys. Easy, guys. Guys, if you guys don't like my videos, don't put the likes. I will stop giving you guys the tips, because everything I'm doing for you guys is just to support you guys. You know what I'm saying? So show me back some love so that I can have some energy to do more. You know what I'm saying? And give you everything that I got. So peace, guys. See you next week, next one.